So when it came to a consumer initiative like this, which is where a group of people can demonstrate how they can take on something truly, truly adventurous, it was obviously a great idea for all of us. We were really thrilled to associate with Fox Studios Bang Bang, because this completely dovetailed with what we do on the brand in any case. And to make it sweeter, we were working with PepsiCo brand ambassadors. So obviously it was a great combination. And this perfect match between what's a bold, adventurous brand and a movie about thrill and adventure obviously is an absolute no-no. So Gunjan, without much ado, we should carry on.
Well, of course, it's a very, very special day here. Well, I thought you'll have some more bottles for us as well. You have one? Yeah, but then... But you know this bottle is going to be very special. But anybody thirsty? Okay, well, moving ahead, of course, we've got the hero here. You know, I think someone's, of course, definitely missing. We saw her in the promos, and of course, she's been a part of the PepsiCo family. So the event cannot move ahead without Katrina Kaif. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Katrina Kaif.
Light, mic, क्या? Light नहीं. मेरे ऊपर light नहीं. Oh, okay. Yeah, hi. So what's up?
So the movie looks amazing. The promo looks amazing. I haven't seen.
I'm making you repeat the whole thing. Okay.
I can't say that I've seen the movie. Of course, the promo looks amazing. The kind of action sequences.
Yes, thank you.
You know, every time I see Hrithik Roshan, you know, you remind me of a line which Amir Khan said
to me while Katrina Kaif.
I was just about to say, and the same applies to
epitome
her
of perfection
as well.
is sitting right here, and you're saying this to me. Very bad. So what do I say?
First, you should say thank you.
Thank you very, very much. Though I think you're a little off the mark. There is no such thing as perfection. We're all working. You know, we all workers, we all work very, very hard. We have dreams, we have visions, and we are going towards that. And in that, we help to entertain people, contribute to the world in so many ways. We are very fortunate. I have a lot of gratitude for the life that I have and for the opportunity I have to serve the world with my hard work and my talent. And I speak for both of us, I think, there.
And, you know, over the past couple of years, you've done so many action films, one after the other, and she takes pride in doing her own action, right? So she's, if I'm not wrong, you're kind of overcoming your fears. Were you always like this, doing action? Like, when I say action, is like, were you like a tomboy kind of all your life? And I can see a bandage on your thumb as well.
Yeah, I was trying some of the stunts at home just before I came here, which resulted in this No, I don't think I'm a tomboy. I just think I try and do whatever's given to me to the best of my ability and make sure I'm prepared for it. And you're working with the best people in the industry. You're working with the best action directors with great teams, and they make you look good doing it.
Feminine power.
Sorry?
Feminine power.
Feminine power.
Yeah.
Feminine power.
Very inspiring.
Very inspiring. Well, of course, Ruchira, we'd also like to talk about the Mountain Dew Heroes Wanted campaign. And
So it's a one-of-a-kind consumer initiative. And I know these words sound like Greek and Latin, especially when you've got these superb trailers and you've got, Hrithik and Katrina here. But what we're telling people across the country is, you come in, tell us if you want to do an amazing stunt, if you want to.
Well, India is the land of heroes, so we are going to get a lot of them.
And everybody wants to be a hero like the two of you. So
and I think the best part of this is that the revenues are going to go into the JNK Relief Fund. So this is going to be a great cause.
So
and along with that, we're going to have a lot of fun.
So just to clarify, because this is the first time, Hrithik, that we're announcing this, just to clarify that for everyone who participates, who sends an SMS on the code, the revenues of the full bottle of whatever they've bought are going to be contributed by PepsiCo to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund, because there are so many people who are everyday heroes, particularly in places like Jammu and Kashmir, where we know there's been a terrible natural calamity. So it's our way of saying that, you could be a hero on screen, you could be in a short film with Hrithik, which is what this contest is about, but if you're an everyday hero as well,
and in the same way, you can contribute to the real heroes who are working there to create harmony. Yeah.
well, in fact, if you're just wondering what are these SMSs or the campaign is all about, let me tell you, the 3 people are going to be the lucky ones who are going to shoot an action sequence with Hrithik Roshan in a short film. And how are they going to get selected? You're going to buy a bottle of Mountain Dew. There's a code underneath the label. You have to SMS that code, and then you register. 10 people will get shortlisted.
10 groups.
Yes, and then that person can bring in 2 more people along with him to form one team.
Yeah.
They would be actually tested at some various grounds of action, their fitness, blah, blah, blah. But the best part is,
revenues from all those who participate, from the bottle sales, will actually go in for the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. And we feel really good. I know we do a lot, in any case as PepsiCo, but this is a one-of-a-kind initiative. And hopefully people have fun. And at the same time, we can do make some real impact in Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, that's great, fantastic. And before I open the forum for question and answer, one quick question to both of you. One fear which you've overcome in life, or anything, challenge which you were always scared of, something you were always scared of, a fear?
Well, I can go back to the very first fear I had, was to learn how to cycle. That was my first fear. And I can cycle now.
Wow. And the funny part is that he was scared to ride a cycle, and the man's doing
I was very, very scared.
these kind of stunts.
I remember my father really pushing me and, trying to get me to balance on the cycle, and I just refused because I was too scared. But yeah, I can cycle now.
You've come a long way.
I've come a long way, man. Yeah. So, life is about beating those initial fears in your life, and you create those patterns that, once you can do it second, you can do it, again and again and again, and then you can take on the bigger challenges of life very easily, because you know that there's a way through it. There's a solution always.
Was your fear as big as...
Shocking, as big as cycling?
She also had a fear of cycling.
Yeah.
And she still can't cycle.
Wow.
I'll show you. I'll show you tomorrow.
No, but
I'll show you, and I'll post it on his Twitter account since I don't have one. Of a video of me cycling really fast.
Bang, bang, there.
Sir.
Established.
Right here at the press conference. Yeah. Katrina Kaif. Sir, make it official.
No, please, I can't be a dare. I can cycle very well, thank you. I know how to cycle.
Okay, so of course you can cycle. So one fear which you have overcome in your life?
I'm going to go along the same lines as Hrithik, so cycling. I would say swimming. I used to be really scared. I think when you don't know how to swim, you're scared. And I learned to swim in an ocean. I just went out and I said, I'm going.
And now you can swim?
I'm going.
Now you can swim?
I can swim.
Show us. I bet we all want to see. Katrina Kaif swimming call us to the Marriott, to the pool, and hum sab, we'll all come and we'll see Katrina Kaif, how she swims. Okay, chalo, we'll believe her.
You remember that sequence in Zindagi? Two people,
Yeah.
one was me, the
Yeah.
other one
Was
was
Yeah.
in the water swimming.
Deja vu.
Deja vu.
Yeah.
I think he's forgotten
Completely.
about our last film.
Completely. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen.
You know, Gunjan,
Yeah.
just to add one piece, when we met Ritik for the first time, I remember we'd gone to meet him about the association with you, and at that point in time, the one thing that struck us was his complete authentic honesty about how he felt that what the brand said, which is Dar Ke Aage Jeet Hai, was absolutely true. I don't know if you remember that conversation,
Yeah,
but
no,
he
I do.
actually pushed us to say, you guys haven't done anything yet, and there's so much more about what people can do if they overcome their fears.
That is absolutely true. I think that your tagline and your philosophy can really contribute in such a empowering way to the youth of the world. I truly believe in that, and that is something that I truly want to do. I want to be a part of it. So this association really is like a perfect fit. It reflects my own vision of a world where fear is understood as an illusion that's in the mind, and it's unreal, and you have to go through it, as it said. Dar ke aage jeet hai. It is something that I have lived by, and something that I have become an example for others. So I'm really happy to be associated with this brand.
And the first film that we ever did any association with was Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, which was with the two of you, and now we're coming back. So we feel really good about, this whole association as well. So it's awesome to be, a part of something like this.
Fantastic. And can I request you all to, if you have questions, please raise your hand and then we...
Hi Ritik, hi Katrina, Alok here from OAFM, Center. Center sir.
It's quite ironic, someone else is raising the
Ah,
hand.
hi.
Center, that thing in
Arey,
front
tu
of
hai.
you. Yeah, right in front.
Always sir.
Sab theek?
Must, fantastic.
Fantastic. I like it.
तो सवाल ये है कि हीरोज वांटेड कैंपेन है, तो आप दोनों से इन जनरल सभी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपके हीरो कौन है लाइफ के, लाइक ऋतिक, कतरीना, आपका लाइफ का हीरो कौन है?
मेरी लाइफ का हीरो is a vision of myself maybe 10 years from now. So life is about trying to be better, trying to evolve, and you must have a vision of yourself. So I have a vision of myself, and that's my hero. There's a point in life where I want to reach, and that is what motivates me. That's my hero.
कतरीना, आपकी लाइफ का हीरो कौन है?
Life, मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन अभी I think Ritik is my hero because he's here, right next to me, and we have our film releasing. So in real life, REEL, right now it's Ritik. Yeah, I'll keep my answer short.
एंड बैंग बैंग डेयर काफी चल रहा है, तो ऋतिक और कतरीना आप दोनों से एक ही डेयर है. मीडिया वाले भी चाहते हैं कि आप एक डेयर हम सभी के लिए कर दें, कुछ गुनगुना दें, गा दें हम सबके लिए.
क्या गाऊं?
कुछ भी गा दें सर, आपकी
कुछ भी गा दूं?
हाँ हाँ, एनी सॉन्ग फ्रॉम योर मूवी और कतरीना के फिल्म से.
तू गाना, मैं I'll join you. Come on.
एक पल का जीना.
अरे सबसे
That's a
मुश्किल
very
गाना है यार.
difficult song.
सर आप गाओगे?
Lucky Ali also took 2 days to sing the song.
I think you've rehearsed that song and come. Huh?
हाँ, तू रिहर्स कर गया है.
तो मैं
You've done.
सावन का महीना.
पवन करे शोर.
शोर नहीं, शोर.
अच्छा, ये भी रिया.
सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर, जियरा रे झूमे ऐसे जैसे बनवा नाचे मोर.
अब आप खुद को ट्वीट कर सकते हैं कि आपने डेयर कंप्लीट कर लिया है.
चलिए ठीक है, डन.
थैंक यू ऋतिक.
इससे भी
In fact, the way it was going, I was thinking he's going to give the background music. Oh.
Yeah, I thought that was going to be like some...
Okay, so...
और कुछ गाऊं क्या? मैं मूड में आ गया हूं अभी. हाँ, गाते रहता हूँ फिर मैं. अच्छा ठीक है. नहीं मैं जोक कर रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट.
Good evening to all. This is for Ritik. Congratulations to you. Your last.
Yes,
yeah.
hi.
I'd like to ask you that how the youth will get connected with your movie Bang Bang.
Well, it is a youth-centric film actually. It is a love story. It is a very young film. and it is about, you know, there's a lot of adrenaline rush moments in the film. There's a lot of action, there's a lot of dance. These are the things that, you know, bring our youth into the kind of state that they want to be in. So I think it's actually, youth, I don't think is a problem. How about you? I hope you like the film. Though I can see that there is a lot of है, आप में भी दम है, आपके नजरों में दम है. I think you will also like the film. Yes.
Hi Ritik, hi Katrina. सामने.
Sir,
Very, very what? You know, different type, like a Hollywood film. सब ये बोल रहे हैं कि this looks like a Hollywood film. My victory will be that इस film के बाद, when another Bollywood film will be made, they will not any longer say that it looks like a Hollywood film, because that kind of film has already been made now in Bollywood. So next time a film like this is made, they'll say, hey, yeah, it looks like a Bollywood film.
Ritik, hi. Congratulations for the campaign. आप सबको डेयर दे रहे हैं. In fact, Amit just did it on Twitter. उन्होंने YouTube पे, you know, finally link डाल दिया है.
Did you do the dare?
He did in a very amazing manner.
सजा जो मैंने दी है, that has been done.
And in the end, he is like bang bang. So.
No, not that. उसके बाद तो I have punished him. He's a cheater.
Okay.
All this good man image and good boy and all that, he's cheated. तो उनको मैंने सजा दी है अभी, that he has to dance on my Bang Bang song and in a true Bang Bang style and post that. So that is his punishment for cheating. Cheating is not allowed. It's not a good example for our children. Very, very bad. I'm very upset with him.
Right. आपने सलमान को भी डेयर दिया है. He didn't do अभी तक उन्होंने कुछ revert नहीं किया है. In fact, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, you didn't go to Big Boss to promote your film. तो क्या ये इस बात का रिजल्ट है कि आपने उनको डेयर दिया है, जब वो पूरा करेंगे देन
सलमान खान को आप जानते हैं? सलमान खान ये ट्वीट करने वाले हैं नहीं कि आई एक्सेप्ट. वो करके दिखाएंगे और फिर वापस बैठ जाएंगे. थोड़ा वेट करो.
So like उन्होंने आपको इनवाइट किया है बिग बॉस में प्रमोट करने के लिए बैंग बैंग.
हाँ.
तो आप like are you guys going?
Not gone, no. But we will go tomorrow.
Okay. And we also heard that your sons Rehan and Ridan have made a statue of Superman. आपको गिफ्ट किया है to congratulate on Bang Bang. इस बारे में जानना चाहते हैं आपसे.
नहीं, ये सही बात नहीं है.
Hi Ritik, Priyanka here.
Yes,
Since this film you are looking for short films, I have directed 7 short films. So how persistent you are about short films? You are looking actors for short films.
That's part of a contest that we're running, and that contest, the winners who come through on Mountain Dew, the top gang of 3 get to act in a short film with Ritik. But that's something that we're doing as a promotion. Ritik, at the end of the day,
I want Ritik's verdict also on short films.
That's
my verdict on short films.
How important are short films to you?
What?
How important are short films to you?
Any form of creativity is great. If you can express some thought, some vision or something that you want to create through any means, short film, long film, whatever film, it is your expression of your individuality, and it's accepted. It's great.
I'm sorry, it's going to be the final question for the evening.
Hi Ritik, this is Sohail over here.
Sohail.
So here's the day. The person who finishes the question gets the answer.
Hi Ritik, just needed to ask, there are lots of daredevil stunts in this movie, and as the product says कि डर के आगे जीत है, तो कहीं ऐसे कोई particular stunt था जहाँ पर आपको ऐसे लगा कि
आपको मैं जवाब नहीं दूंगा, आपने मेरे लिए सीटी नहीं मारी थी.
नहीं मैं मार.
आप पूछो.
Yeah, any particular stunt where you felt at a moment कि हाँ यार डर के आगे जीते, जहाँ हल्का सा डर लगा होगा कोई स्टंट करते हुए इस फिल्म में. And same is for Katrina Arvind.
हाँ, ऐसा था एक, but how do I explain it? शिमला में था और ये एक सबसे हाई पॉइंट ऑफ शिमला में एक बिल्डिंग थी और बहुत ठंड थी, और ठंड में क्या होता है कि योर जॉइंट्स और ऑल ना सब जगड़ जाते हैं. So it was very hard for me to become loose or get the blood circulation. और एक jump था that I had to do from the top of the building into nothing. There was nothing there. And as soon as you jump, after about 2-3 floors, there's a cable that pulls you back inside into maybe the floors which are underneath that. So if you don't pull me in time or something, it's the chances of being hurt was a lot. So that was one moment where I was literally deciding, there was that precipice time where I had to think about my children. I had to think about, am I capable? Am I do I have my center? My focus is right or wrong? I'm talking to my toes. I'm talking to my knees. Are we ready, guys? This is my team. But I felt good about it. And kiya maine wo, aur it looked good. And came out safe. Dar ke aage jeet tha. Correct.
Ritik, less than 24 hours to release.
Ritik, आपसे सवाल है कि
Ritik, less than 24 hours, what's the emotion going in your head?
It's woman power. I heard a woman. You ask.
No, it's okay. आपने ऋतिक बहुत सारे फिल्म स्टार्स को बैंग डेयरिंग दी है, रणबीर को क्यों नहीं दिया आपने?
क्या आइडिया दिया है आपने मुझे?
हालांकि उनकी तबीयत
बेचारे अभी सर्जरी से अभी निकले हैं, लेकिन तो क्या हुआ? फिर भी मैं दूंगा.
I mean, what happened? आप कटरीना के पास
फोन
क्यों देख
करके,
रहे हो?
हाँ.
आप कटरीना के पास क्यों देख रहे थे?
जी?
आप कटरीना के पास क्यों देख रहे थे?
के पास क्यों देख रहा हूँ?
हाँ, मतलब
अरे क्यों नहीं देख सकता हूँ भैया? शी इज माय हीरोइन. पास बैठ भी सकता हूँ मैं.
वैसे क्या हो गया रणबीर को? कटरीना, can you tell us please? I mean, we heard that उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. अब ऋतिक ने भी बताया. Will you say something about this?
I don't think this is the right platform for that.
I think we'd like to keep our questions to the film and to the activity here.
In fact, thank you all for being...
Katrina from India News, Kunal. माशाल्लाह आप लोग बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं ऑन स्क्रीन आप और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ऋतिक आपके हीरो हैं, लेकिन ऑन सेट ऐसे कहा जाता था कि आप सेट पर कम बात करती थी और शायद रणबीर काफी पजेसिव उन्होंने मना किया था कि आप कम बात करें उनसे.
Actually, the problem was this, that I like to talk a lot. You're not probably seen it today because most of the questions were being asked to Hrithik. He didn't ask me a question. He didn't ask me a question. He didn't ask me.
Well done.
So actually, I like to talk a little too much. And because I've worked with Hrithik before, I like to give opinions about everything, Hey, why don't you try doing the stunt this way? Why don't you try doing it that way? So after a point, Hrithik had to kind of say, okay, just little less talking. Otherwise, I think it would have, he had that surgery also that was going on, so I think he needed a little bit peace and quiet. I have a habit of talking a little too much on set.
Right. Thank you, everybody. And Ruchira, Hrithik, and Katrina, can I request you all three to please stand up for a photo opportunity?
Uske pehle, I just want to make one, I want to make one announcement that, all of you, the media and all the photographers, they have been such a big part and such great support in this campaign. I would like to invite you all for, only if you want to see it, for the preview of Bang Bang tomorrow at 12:45 at PVR. 12:40 PVR. मतलब इतना strict. चलेगा यार, 5 मिनट यहाँ वहाँ चलेगा. तो 12:40 हाँ? Juhu 1 no? Juhu 1. So I'll see you guys there. हाँ मैं आऊँगा. आपको अच्छी नहीं लगी तो भाग जाऊँगा. लेकिन आऊँगा.
Okay, so can we
Thank you.
have the photo opportunity?